Hi there. Today I'd like to share with you another great maths puzzle, and this time it's another hexagon, and we've got the hexagon broken down into 6 segments, and we're given 5 of the numbers 0, 6, 24, 60 and 120, and then we're asked to find the number that's missing in this top left hand segment of the hexagon that's represented by the question mark. Now if you want to think about the answer, then click on the pause button in the bottom left hand corner, otherwise I'm going to go straight into the answer. And when you're trying to solve these sort of problems, it's always good to look for, or try and look for, some sort of pattern that's repeating through all of those numbers, and then apply that pattern to the missing number. And that's exactly what I've done here. Is for the 0 then, which is the first number, we're going to multiply 1 by 1 by 1, which is equals to 1, and we minus 1, and that equals 0. And then for the second number, the 6, then it's 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8, minus 2 equals 6. You can sort of see the pattern now repeating. So for the 24, for the third number, 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27, minus 3 is 24. And then for the fourth number, which is the 60, it's 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64, minus 4 is 60. And then for the fifth number, 5 times 5 times 5 is 125, minus 5 equals 120. And then we just apply that same principle to this missing number, which is the 6th number in the series. And then we multiply 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216, minus 6 equals 210. Therefore, the missing answer, the missing number there, represented by that question mark, is 210. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.